Hi everybody, I haven't been on here in quite a while, so I thought I would come back and show you the latest Blockbuster from Estée Lauder, which is out now for Christmas 2020. And this is what it looks like. It's just the usual big box with lots of goodies inside and a full-sized advanced night repair. So I'm unboxing this, I haven't even looked at it as yet, so it'll probably not go well because I'll probably not be able to get it out. So here we go, inside we have a lovely red velvet case. It's very lush looking and it's got a nice wee bow. So that's what the case looks like. And inside you have all the goodies. So this is what the inside looks like. So we have 3 palettes. We have a lip gloss, 2 lipsticks, mascara, some kind of cream, advanced night repair and some other advanced night repair thing, and this eye makeup remover, that's a full-sized one as well. So I shall get them out and we'll have a look at them. And this cost £69. You had to spend, I think it was £45 on any Estée Lauder, so you didn't have to buy anything specifically. So the first thing that I'm lifting out is Revitalizing Supreme Plus. And this is a moisturiser. And it's just a little sample size. Also we have this little leaflet to show you what you can do with the contents. Some ideas. So then we have the Advanced Night Repair, which I love, and it's worth buying this set just for this alone because it's quite expensive anyway, and this thing only costs £69 altogether, so it's a good deal. And this is Advanced Night Repair Eye. I like that as well. I haven't used it for a while because I haven't had it for a while, but definitely something that I like and will use. Then they don't make these things easy for you to get out. Right, here's a lipstick that I've managed to get out, and it is called Persuasive. I can't even see that. I think I need to put my glasses on. And that's a beautiful red colour. Like that. So that's a beautiful wintry, Christmassy colour. And then the other lipstick, it's Pure Colour Envy, and this one's called Knockout Nude. This other one is also Pure Colour Envy. And this is the nude one. It's gorgeous. And that is a swatch of that. So far so good. Now let's see if I can get any more out. This is the Gentle Eye Makeup Remover, which is good. I've used that a lot over the years. And that's full sized. It is 100 mils, so that's worth a few quid as well. And now the tricky bit, getting this out. This is the lip gloss, and it is called Flash Fire. The writing's a bit bigger on this, so it's a bit easier to read. So it's a nice looking sort of nudie colour. I'll just do a wee swatch on my hand as well so you can see it. That brush is very stiff. So yeah, just a nice nudie lip gloss. And then we have a mascara, and this is Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara, and it is in black. I would assume, yeah, 01 Extreme Black, if you can see that. So now we have the palettes, that's all that's left. So this first one is a face palette. It's called Pure Colour Envy Cheek Palette Glow. It's got Bronze Goddess Medium, Pink Kiss in the middle, and Modern Mercury. So this is Bronze Goddess Medium, I think. That's Pink Kiss blusher. Looks like that. And the Bronze Goddess Medium looks like that. And then the highlighter. That's a lovely wee palette. Looks like that. And that's them all transferred onto my hand. So yeah, that's good palette. Now put it away. It's a nice cute wee palette as well. It'd be good for travelling. And the next one is called, this is an eyeshadow palette called Pure Colour Envy Eyeshadow Palette Glam. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 eyeshadows inside. That's what the back of it looks like. And inside you've got that. So lovely colours. I'll just do some swatches. Actually not very good payoff on that. That's some of the eyeshadows on my arm. Might need to have a good primer with those. Sometimes I find that Estée Lauder eyeshadows aren't that great. Anyway, I can always work with it. And then the other one is called Nudes. So it's got another 10 eyeshadows. These ones are all just numbered, and these other ones are all just numbered as well. 1 to 10 in the Glam palette and 1 to 10 in the Nude palette. So that is what the nude ones look like. Let's just see if these ones swatch a bit better. They're still not great. That one's good. That one there is beautiful. That is this one. So some of these nude ones are swatching better than the other palette. So I wouldn't really be buying this for the palettes, although they are lovely. This one is definitely better than the other one. So you can see some of those swatches on my arm have come up much better. So they're okay. They're not brilliant. They're not as good as MAC eyeshadows, I don't think, but it's a good bargain to get all that in one box for £69, plus you have to buy something else. And I think it's £45 that you have to spend. So I bought 2 gift sets. I bought mini winter nudes lipsticks. I thought I would just buy something nice that I wouldn't buy normally, just to cheer myself up in this current climate that we're in. And this is the Repair and Glow Advanced Night Repair. It's a wee set, so that's going to make my skin all lovely and glowy. So that's it, everyone. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video and found this useful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe, and I'll see you all again in the next one. Bye!